Monday morning cup of Joe. Although it's empty, but check that mug out. That's a coffee mug right there.
Try to wash your hands with the pressure washer.
I'm hunting rabbits. Wascally Robbie rabbits.
Okay, well, Robbie is over here in Leanne's office, and he is about to get pummeled. I'm pretty sure. I think that's what's gonna happen.
Damn! Come, dude! Oh, got me right in the eyeball. Damn! Damn!
Still got areas that need to be hand dug out. I'm just marking out those spots.
Top of the world looking at you.
Reverend drew a trench from the stake over there, from the sleeve, stopping at this line so we don't damage the gutter, don't hit the electrical. All right, we're at Dominion. We've had a nice productive day. We were able to get the front side of this apartment building done. Got some cleanup work happening over here at the clubhouse. That's not as pretty as I'd like it to be yet. Got the guys down there working towards me on this side of the building A. Drew over here at building B, trenching, hitting the ground running.
Then when you add the glue, it causes a chemical reaction. It causes the PVC to melt, bond together, thin glue.
Yeah.
Just elbow it back. Yeah. I got you. All right. I'm sorry I called you down here.
You're good. Just something like that. You'll have to dig a bit of this out.
The man, the myth, the machine, Chris.
This here is my son,
Henry. Hey, did you get the video of me shooting Robbie?
All right, brother. Bartley here again with the A-Team. It's been a little while since y'all was here last time, so we're gonna show you the progress we've made since then. So what we have here is we're putting in a flagpole. We had bounced a few ideas back and forth, and I think we've settled on a flagpole. So we're gonna put this flagpole in here and then do a kind of a stacked wall around the flagpole with crushed flagstone coming on down. Do some plants up top, some plants around it, and have a nice little flagpole arrangement going on. I think last time we was here, or you was here, we had the stacked walls done, but we didn't have nothing else done with it. So since then, we put in 10 tons of river rock. I know it don't look like a lot, but that's 10 tons. We put some plants in up here. We did a little stacked pyramid just to give it a cool looking feature. Kind of some of the work we've done, we dug down a little bit around this tree so it doesn't kill it out. Did a stacked wall around that. We got a cool little driftwood piece up there to give it a little accent. Kind of pops off the wall a little bit. Maybe if she decides on something later on, she can. But then through here, you can see these catch basins here. So these are going to catch the water that comes off this driveway. So we have to leave this kind of open to allow it to drain. So we're going to go right here, do another smaller stacked wall, and it's going to just follow up through like this here. Straight through here and maybe connect into here. And this one will set lower than these, so these will accent off of these beds here. And the same thing here, we're gonna do a little bed that goes around there, that connects into that wall, and do sod here. Just to kind of shorten this bed out and do sod a little bit. So that's what we've got on this side. Got Darius over here putting some plants in. Say hi to the camera, Darius.
What's up, what's up?
Digging roots too. So yeah, we're gonna do the same thing with this here. We're gonna pop these 3 plants in, do some river rock in there. And we've almost got this bed completed. We're going to do river stone in this too. We'll have to be a little more careful with that because of the plants, obviously, and it's such a steep incline. We can't just dump river stone in, it'll just roll right down the hill. So we'll carefully place that river stone in here. And I think this bed's going to look real good. Justin's building this up now. We'll lay fabric here and just mimic what we got going on up there. We got a few plants here we'll place along the way. The sidewalk we just got done. I cut that out there. There was an existing sidewalk, but it came down a little bit lower. See in here, so you had to step up. So we made this handicap friendly and handicap accessible. There was an existing drain that ran there already, so we just made use of it since it already worked good, and we added a catch basin here to the side. So when we run these drains off the gutters here, it was easier just to cut the concrete, lift it up, run everything we needed to run. And then yesterday, or day before yesterday, sorry, we poured this sidewalk here. Down here is where all the real work goes on though. If you can see, I have my fishing pole casted out. So that's where I put most of my work hours and labor hours in out here. And I let these guys just do their thing and I hide. You can see we've made some progress here. We tore them shrubs out. We kind of had to be able to get everything leveled out some. So we jerked them out and we're gonna put these plants back in their place here. These were already existing just around the house, so we're going to put 1 in each bed there and then do river stone in that as well. And river rock. Good deal. We got more river rock, so we can make some more progress. But yeah, that's it on this job, man. Hopefully we'll get it wrapped up soon.